All right, this is a very strong piece of a cardboard. And if you guys can laminate it a little bit, so it's probably the strongest one we have here. So let's go ahead and try this one. All right, so it's a thicker one. Let's see if it can go through. It's the thickest one we have, and it's doing a fantastic job. So it did work out. All right, today we're gonna bring a paper shredder, but what we're gonna use it for, we're gonna shred all this cardboard. So we got hundreds of boxes today. We're gonna shred it down and minimize it, our footprint, and we're gonna recycle all of it. So this one could fit up to 24 pages. That's pretty much the size of a cardboard. We're gonna see how much we can do with this and see if it could handle all this cardboard that we have here, and testing it out. So we're gonna do that and test it out. And this is reverse and forward, and then so if you feed it too much, it's gonna overheat. So we're gonna try to see if we can work before it overheats. I like that it comes with some handles here. The basket itself. All right, this is the power button on. All right, so once it lights up, the whole thing lights up and we have ignition. So we're gonna go ahead and put the first piece of cardboard in there, see how well it works. Entering the first one, so let's see how well it works. And let it go. That's pretty much what you got to do. Just let it run. But you got to constantly be feeding it cardboard. So I'm going to do that. Which is not bad. You do have to get pieces of it. I did double right there. It's going to do a double, but it seems like it's working. All right, once it's full, you get a red light. All right, it's telling you it's full. I'm gonna open it up right now. I'm gonna move all my scissors, all my cutters, all my blades. Look at this. It's not full completely, but it was it was blocking the actual sensor. So awesome job. I like that it gives you a warning, a red light. It won't turn on, it won't do anything. It says open bin when you do this, right? But look at this. That's a huge box we just did right now. We're saving a lot of space. You could use this for compost. You could use this for packing if you want, as a packing. It's a good way to recycle your cardboard. You could fit a lot more in your recycle. That's the only reason I got it, because normally when I have these hundreds of boxes, I can't fit this stuff. So got to do this. Simple to use. Hope you guys enjoy the video.